Hey y'all, so today we are going to be figuring out how to access your student virtual notebook and what to do with it. So your notebook is shared with you right now. So if you go to your drive and you click shared with me, you will then be able to find, obviously ours looks different. Mine's have things that people share with me, but yours will have right underneath here or in the quick access a file that was shared with you. You're going to click it to open it up. It is already going to have your name, but just make sure that it does in this box here. Once you do that, you will see here it says type your name. You're just going to type your name one more time. You can make it bigger if you want. So this is your virtual notebook. Now, I am going to add pages for the most part to it, so you don't have to worry about that. What you do is you're just going to click whatever it is that we're doing. So we are doing vocabulary right now. You would click it and it will take you to the slide that you need to go on. This slide starts our vocabulary section. Now, let's say you're doing work and you want an anchor chart that we looked at in class. If you click anchor charts, it will take you to that section. And I have already added our first anchor chart we'll be talking about, which is making inferences. Now, for the vocabulary section, you will get this here. And as always, you want to go to View, Zoom, 100% so that you can better see what is going on. Now, the directions here say, select one of the following vocabulary review activities to complete with each of the words below. So you have a couple different options. You can rewrite the definition using a hashtag summary. Remember, a hashtag is something that you would find on Instagram. It is pretty creative and catchy so that other people would use it too. The second thing is to use the word in a sentence. Take the meaning of the word and make your own sentence, y'all. The third one is to write a synonym and antonym for the word. Synonyms and antonyms mean same and different. And then the last one is just to write the definition in your own words. Remember, you're only selecting one of the choices for each vocabulary definition. In addition, you want to make sure that you're not doing the same thing for every single word. That will not help you understand the definitions, and it will not help you when we have a notebook check, guys. So I did some examples for us. So infer means to guess, imply, or suggest. So I created my own sentence. It says, they inferred his displeasure from his cool tone of voice. So obviously, guys, they're guessing that he is not at all pleased because of his tone. So I would just write that sentence down. The second word is modernize, which means to give a new appearance to. Now, y'all, this is the hashtag summary that I tried. As you can see right here on our example, I put hashtag old school meet new school. That is because it is to give a new appearance to something. So something old turns into something new. So that was my hashtag. Now for you, you can do whichever you want for the last four words. Remember, a folklore is a traditional belief or legend. A myth is a traditional story, usually concerning a hero or event. A narrative is a story, y'all. It's a story or an account of events and experiences, whether they're true or fake. Then traditional means handed down by tradition, which seems odd that the definition word is in, the word is in the definition, but handed down from time to time. So if your grandparents hand something down to your parents, who hand something down to you, that is tradition. It can be something that they give you or something that is just spoken. So you guys are going to complete the vocabulary activity for these 4 words. You're going to complete them right in this notebook, and I am going to be able to access them to check and make sure that you are doing your work. Have a good day, y'all.